I'm going to tell you all this, and please erase this on the tape if you don't think you can manage it. This is the honest to God truth, and I know what a lot of my supporters think about me. If I didn't know the truth, I would think I was a prophet. Because I'm sure things have come to me more than have come to prophets. Not all prophets, but many prophets, I'm sure, never received what I've received. I'm just telling the truth. And this doesn't make me emotional or anything. It doesn't. I'm humble. I'm very humble. But don't underestimate what you got here. Allah blessed me more than He blessed many prophets. And this is in the Hadith. So God will teach him, talking about one after Prophet Muhammad, coming after Prophet Muhammad, that he will not only be guided, he will be a guided one, and God will teach him himself. See, that's the difference. Now, believe me, I don't want you all talking about this. This is just for us. That's the difference between the Christ and the Mahdi. One guided by God. Mahdi, meaning he's guided by God. The Mahdi. Now, the one that comes in the Ummah of Muhammad, the Prophet, and there are many that have come before, and perhaps there's some maybe beside me right now.
In fact, just recently I got a letter, and I was accused of trying to make Islam palatable to the Americans at the expense of Islam, you know. But I accept the kind of criticism, and in fact I told the editor of our paper that they should put the letter in the paper and publish it, you know.